Alright, so today we're going over Genius Connector. It's an extension for Chrome that lets you message people that are in groups. So to make this quick, I just went to a group that I'm a member of. I can see there's one admin and a bunch of people in it. So all I'm going to do is go up and click on the Genius Connector icon. For this test, I'm going to do it 30 to 60 seconds, but I suggest at first 5 to 9 minutes, and probably the first couple days no more than 10, just until Facebook decides that you're okay and this is not out of the ordinary behavior. I'm just going to do 3. This resume from last search means if you've already done the 3, and you can choose which number you want to start from. Also, if you have, say, multiple admins in the group and you don't want to message them, you would say yes, and then however many admins there are, do the number next. So if they have 3 admins, put in 4, then you're all set. I've already configured my templates for messages, so I'm just going to click on Suggested and click on Run. Alright, so I'm ready to go, so I'm just going to click on Run, and we'll let that do its thing. After a few seconds, it's going to go ahead and run that and start sending these messages to people. So you'll see another tab pop up, and you'll be able to see that work. I'm going to click on Stop and just go quickly over to the Segments and Groups section. So I've got the Suggested, which is what I've configured. It's just going to say first name. I've also got something for my group that I put this custom message in, and then segments, general greetings, suggested friends. So depending on who I wanted to send this to, I could do so. And then on the last section, we have settings. You can check what you want to do here. Do you want to send a message if someone sends you a friend request automatically? Do you want to only send a message when you accept a friend request someone else sent you? Say, stop messaging me or something like that, or thanks for connecting or something simple. And then on the final one, send message when you decline a friend request. So say you don't think there'll be a good connection or won't be interested in your business, then you can go ahead and configure a different one there. And make sure you activate the settings. Make sure you activate the settings, click Save. And you can see it saved my settings. Click OK. And then you're all set to go back and run this again. So that's it. If you have any questions or want to pick this up, go to friendconnector.us. Click on the link. It is currently $15 a month. And you can just buy that directly from my webpage, friendconnector.us. And once you do that, you'll be redirected to the Chrome store to go ahead and install that.